Merhaba arkadaşlar. Bugün bir tarif yapacağım. Çok da sevdiğim bir tarif. Sütle çok güzel giden bir tarif. Ama ben bu tarifi yaparken İngilizce konuşacağım. Çünkü bu aslında benim ödevim için. O zaman tarifimize başlayabiliriz. Hello, this is my kitchen. Today I will make some chocolate chip cookies. First, we add butter, cover of butter, and brown sugar, and we mix it, but the butter should be soft, and this butter is not that soft. Oh yeah, it's soft. I think it will be easier with fork, so I will go and get some fork. Yeah, that's easier. I think that's good now. Now we add an egg. And vanilla. Where's my vanilla? It smells so good. And we mix it again. Now we add flour. It's 1.5. Yeah. And baking soda. And a little bit, half a teaspoon salt, and mix it, but this time I will mix it with my hand. See how it's creamy? Just like Play-Doh. I will clean my hands and I will put these chocolate chips in it and mix it. But first I have to clean my hands. I cleaned my hands a little bit. And I will put away my book. I will add my chocolate chips. A little bit of white chocolate. Now I will mix it. Put my cookie mixture on it. Now I will add some more chocolates. Now I will put it in the oven. Now our cookies are ready to eat. It's yummy.